stopped after dark? Yeah, when they said it's getting late in here. So I'm sorry, young man, there's no skating here. And so we kick, push, kick, push.
Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Away here, back again with a mail time episode. We haven't had mail time on the channel in like a minute now. It's been a while. Mail time hasn't been happening as much recently just because I've been investing more of my like money and I guess my time into buying the hype boxes and the beater boxes. So we got a lot of personal pickups today. I think almost all of them are personal pickups, which is not good for my wallet, but I guess it's good for you guys to see what we got in today. It is post All-Star weekend, so there's gonna be a couple from there, and then there's just a couple of grails that have been on my checklist for kind of a while, so hopefully they're in the condition that I think they're in, because some of them I have no idea, and it just we gotta see. First box from Nike. All right, so they packed it upside down, but this is a Jordan 1 box. I'm guessing some of you guys already know what this is. Jordan 1 box, size 10.5, post All-Star weekend. Oh man, it smells good. Yes, so these are the gold toe Jordan 1s. Haven't seen these in person yet, so these are kind of cool. They're supposed to be almost exactly the same as these things back here. I mean, kind of. You can see that. These are the gold top 3s, and these are the gold toes, so you can see the slight variations. But for the most part, they're almost exactly the same shoe. They're both made out of patent leather. They're both going to crease like instantly as soon as you put them on, which is why these have not even been laced up yet. But yeah, really nice shoe in my opinion. I'm not sure why these are trending down right now in terms of resale. It doesn't look like the quality is bad on them at all. So if you guys want these now, I would definitely suggest picking them up, because these are definitely gonna go up in value over time. So glad I got mine. This was through the sneakers app. Super stoked, got lucky with it. Personal collection pair. All right, so second box comes to us from Japan. There's this homie on Instagram. His name is like Gusto the Ninja or something like that. He's actually like pretty well known in the sneaker community for selling out of Japan and selling a lot of like older Jordans and a lot of like rare SBs. So yeah, that's what he does. You guys should check him out. I've heard a lot of good things. I've never bought from him before, but it seems like he's pretty legit from the reviews I've been getting. So fingers crossed, everything looks nice once we open this up. Okay, so at first glance, I was gonna get really mad because this guy only wrapped it up in like paper. There's like no box for it, and I was kind of mad at it, but looking at it, it looks pretty darn secure, man. Yeah, you can see this, just paper. But he did wrap it up in bubble wrap, nice and neat. You guys can see that box already, and it does feel very, very secure. So in terms of shipping, all the way from Japan too, the guy did a really good job. Really, really good job. This is like triple bubble wrapped or something. I was like for real getting mad because I seen the way it was delivered in just a paper bag, and I was like, ugh, never again. But it looks like this guy came through. Box is in perfect condition and it is not bent at all. Amazing. So bubble wrap is a life hack apparently. That's pretty cool. It's an old Nike SB box. You can see it right there, size 10.5. All right. Oh, there's even bubble wrap in here. Check that out. This man is very secure with his packaging. So in terms of packaging, legit. That's all I gotta say. Like I said, he does a lot of older shoes, Nike SBs and Jordans for sure. This is not a dead stock Supreme Nike SB Dunk collab, but it is very, very close to that stock. You can see the bottoms. The man like doesn't sell very heavily worn shoes. It looks good. Granted, these shoes are like over 10 years old already. These things look really, really nice, man. I actually do have the blue ones back here, so I'm just missing that red one now, and as a collector you kind of need all of the colors or else it feels like your collection isn't complete, you know. So got the orange one from the guy Gusto the Ninja. Check him out on Instagram. Really legit seller. And yeah, his product looks really good. I am like amazed at how securely this thing was wrapped up. Man, look at this box. Like, how does it not have a single like crease in it? That is amazing. Bubble wrap. Go figure. All right, so the last two boxes that we have are gonna both be from GOAT. So yeah, we'll just open up one at a time. I'm not sure which is which. All right, good. We opened the correct one. So these also wrapped pretty nice. There's a lot of extra paper in there. So as you can see here, we got a pair of Tiffany Dunk Lows. These are a really iconic shoe, man. Bought from GOAT, but for the price I got it for, it was like an insane deal. So these are gonna be like my new beater shoes. So if you guys didn't know, like Tiffany Dunks are one of the shoes that really like blew my mind, because I got into the sneaker game super late, guys. If you guys didn't know, I started into sneakers in 2016. 2016, it's 2018 now, only the start of 2018. But I remember back in like college when I was looking at these shoes, I could not believe that shoes like this were selling for, I think at the time it was like 700 bucks. I thought that was insane. Before that, I never bought a shoe over 200 bucks. It was wild for me to think that shoes that were used and stuff could actually sell for way more, and then bring it back to 2018. Here we are today. So things come full circle, I guess, like that. So this should be the most hyped shoe we got in this mail time. Also bought from GOAT. Let's take a look. The problem with this one is that on GOAT, you can buy new shoes, but you can also buy new shoes that have like defects. So what I mean by defects is this one said that it was a damaged box. It does not show you a picture of how damaged the box is. It just says damaged box. But because there was a damaged box, the price was significantly lower than what it was going for otherwise. So that means the shoe is new, the box is damaged. I'm hoping it's not like completely thrashed. Please, please. Okay, not as bad as I thought. Not as bad as I thought. You guys can already peep those X'd out eyes in the back, so you guys know what that is. And this is what I meant by damaged box. So I mean, it is damaged, corner is ripped up, but if this is the only thing that I'm getting like $100 off for, I'm okay with that. You know, like, I don't mind buying a damaged box lid. It's not even the box itself, it's just the lid. If I'm gonna get like $100 off, that's a great discount. I still got a DS shoe, you know, so that's dope in my opinion. Still comes with the bag, still comes with the cards and the GOAT cards, so you know it's legit. And let's check out the shoe itself. All right, these are the Jordan 4 Cause in the black colorway. You guys might have seen an older video of mine where I picked up the gray ones before. I never had the black ones though before, and these, I don't know, man. I'm not really feeling it now that it's in my hand. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I'm not gonna hype it up and pretend like, oh, these are super fire now that I got them. Quality just doesn't look as nice as the grays. It is a really nice shoe though. If you guys don't know, Cause is an artist. He did a collab with Jordan brand last year, and it was one of the most hyped releases like of the year. I think if the off-white collab didn't happen, this or the gray shoe would have probably been like the #1 shoe of last year. So that's how big it was. So that wraps it up for this mail time. Cause 4, Supreme Dunk, Jordan 1 Gold Toe. It was a pretty nice mail time if you ask me. A lot of diversity, so that's always good. So anytime I add new things to the collection, I always make sure that I grab some of the old stuff that I had in the collection before, and I move those out and I sell them. I don't want the collection to get too big. I try to keep the number of shoes I have to about 20, 24, which is like an insane amount. I honestly don't wear half of those, I would say. I try to keep it like controlled for the most part. You don't want your house overflowing with shoes. No. We don't want none of that. Anyway, thank you guys again for watching. This has been another episode of Mail Time with Untied Hawaii. Till next time though, stay humble, stay blessed, take care guys. I'll see you. Aloha. Shoots!